Hey, we're Thomas and Michele.
Absolutely.
We love camping and adventuring with our cat Nutmeg, who likes to hike, but mainly roll around in the dirt. Thomas and I actually met at Scout Camp back in 2010. Finding cool places to stay and play is probably our favorite hobby. But today we're showing you the town we call home. Beautiful Newport Avenue and Ocean Beach, which is like 3 minutes from our home.
Ourselves, like producing the video, and then it'll be very cool.
Okay, here's our cat Nutmeg. Oh. Hey Nutmeg. You want to show the people who you are? She's doing a little camera shot right now. We are
highly skilled vloggers.
Highly skilled vloggers. This is our first vlog ever. Well, actually, I've dabbled in vlogging, I must admit.
I've never vlogged. Vlog with a V. I keep looking at myself instead of you.
We're learning to look at the lens, not the screen that's off to our right.
I just don't know how I look. I just gotta know I'm always pretty.
So anyway, this is our first vlog together as a married couple, and we're also starting a business this year. So
roads,
it's just
trucks.
A year of firsts.
Hey.
And you're gonna, if you follow along from the beginning, then man, it'll probably be a really wild ride.
Yeah, well.
Is it not the best feeling to pull into a spot the second, wait, oh god, is he gonna reverse?
Nah.
Okay, the second you pull in to the parking lot. Woo!
Boom. Yeah. Woo! We out here. It's parked.
It's parked right on the pier.
Reese's Puffs THC. It's kind of cool. Never know what you're gonna find in a leaf.
Wait, THC?
Yeah, it's got THC. Stoner Patch instead of Sour Patch.
Do you want a stoner patch?
I kind of do.
Sweet angel. Oh my god, she's so cute. See, Reggie?
I'm right here.
Hang it.
I'm right
like
fucking here.
Okay, don't look at
Ask me to get an ass whooping. Right here. Hey, come back over here. Come back over here. Hey, come back over here.
You just flipped that table over.
All right. Is it your table?
His table.
Okay, we'll talk to you.
Too scared to film scary stuff.
Hey there, Nutty.
Wow, I am so tired. Respect to the YouTubers. Thomas got
Burritos!
wow, he is more energized than I am at our favorite burrito shop. We're gonna go home, sit on the couch, and eat a burrito.
Eat these burritos.
See you in the morning. We're taking the squirt pads we're using for next week's photo shoot to the Squirtopia HQ. And you guys are not yet familiar with Squirtopia, so we'll let Thomas explain what that is while we drive there.
All right, hey guys, we're on our way now to the Squirtopia HQ, which right now is at Michelle's dad's house. Thank you, Stan, for letting us use that room down there. Pretty soon it's gonna be filled with a lot of squirt pads. Now, what is a squirt pad, you say? Well, right now when you have sex, you might be using towels, or maybe you might be changing your sheets, or maybe you're buying a new mattress because, well, you know, your mattress just gets all messy. But no more with the squirt pad. No more will your mattress be messy. It's great for wet spots, great for sex spots. You know what I'm saying? It's the squirt pad coming to a house near you very soon. So just wait until you see what's in this epic box. If you're using towels right now, you might want to go to www.squirtopia.com and check out the squirt pad because it might just be for you.
Welcome to Squirtopia HQ. I'm Michelle, your CEO, and behind the camera we have our COO.
Hi.
Hi!
Welcome to the HQ. Yeah, look at it, check it out.
This is our travel size squirt pad, also known as being the squirt pad that is best for solo play. Let them hang out so they don't get any wrinkles for the photo shoot. The extra large is a giant.
Yes.
Which size is your favorite size, Ben?
I love the XL. It's my fave. It's just got more room to do your thing, you know?
More room to play.
More room to play.
Today we're going to show you guys our first set of prototypes. So, you've now seen the squirt pad. The very first one ever. We were trying to do a circle shape at first, but it ended up just feeling like not enough space, weird to like keep yourself on it. We didn't like that the backing was purple instead of black. So yeah, we learned a lot. Then we tried one with a interfacing underneath the top layer to try to make it less stretchy, but it actually ended up coming off in the wash and really not being that helpful. Our apparel factory found us a less stretchy top material. Doesn't stretch at all, it was nice and soft, but it didn't absorb water and it didn't wick water. We use water to test what will be squirt. So we said no to that one. And our final prototype, original top layer and the middle absorbent layer and then the bottom leak-proof non-slip backing. And maybe I should get some water to show you guys.
Yeah.
Cut to me holding a glass of water. Squirt, 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 squirt.
Hey everybody, we just got back from the pool
It was super fun. Thomas took a dip.
Sure did. But yeah, really, we hope you guys have enjoyed following us along today, checking out the Squirtopia HQ, and just all that we do for our awesome, wonderful business. Oh yeah, and Ocean Beach.
The town.
We covered a lot of stuff here in the video. So if you guys have liked it, make sure you drop a like. Make sure you comment if you really enjoyed it. Comment, you know, something you want to see
comment
next
below
time.
and help us choose our
channel
name.
Our channel name. Yeah, we still don't have a name for this thing.
Maybe
so.
we'll have thought of it by the time we upload. We plan to upload every Thursday, so you can count on a video from us, the Farmeries,
Hey.
every Thursday morning, pausing for the airplane.
And you know, if you really liked us, make sure you hit subscribe so you can keep seeing our videos, and make sure you click the little notification bell so you can be notified next time we post our next video.
And follow us at Squirtopia to watch our business blossom.
Woo! Flourish.
Fingers crossed. See you next Thursday. Can I drink this?
Yeah, drink that, Squirt. Oh, that's gross.
I'll get a different glass of water. And it makes me really nervous to be holding the camera in front of my face while people drive by. But I'm practicing. Thomas calls it the flying saucer.